Student, how are you? I will discuss today about the chemical reaction and equation. What is the chemical reaction? The process in which substance or substances undergo change in new substance with new property is called chemical reaction. For example, calcium carbonate heated to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And other example like this is a sodium react with water and heated to form the change in the chemistry. The change in chemistry are two types. Like this is a physical change and chemical change. I tell you about the physical change and chemical change. What is the physical change? I tell you about the physical change. Write down. What is the physical change? Physical change is a state change or heat change. I mean that solid convert into liquid, liquid convert into gas. For example, ice heated to form the water and water heated to form the vapor. That process is named melting, and this process is known as the vaporization. The molecular formula of the ice is H2O, and also the molecular formula of the water is H2O, and vapor is also molecular formula H2O. No change in the chemical formula, that is H2O, H2O, H2O. Only change in the state, like this is a ice is a solid state, and water is a liquid state, and vapor is a gas state. So only change in state change, nothing change in the chemically. Chemically is the same. So we can say about the physical change. The physical change is a state change or phase change only. No change in the chemically, not bond breaking, not to form the new bond, only change in state. Like this is solid, heated to form the liquid, liquid heated to form the gas. For, like this is ice. Ice convert into water, water convert into vapor. The molecular formula of the water like this is H2O, water is H2O, and vapor is H2O. Chemically is same, but physically is different. So it is a physical change. Listen me, look here on the board. Solid convert into liquid, that name is melting. And liquid convert into gas, that process is known as the vaporization, and gas convert into liquid, that process is known as the condensation, and liquid convert into the solid, that process is known as the freezing, and if the solid direct convert into the gas, that process is known as the sublimation. This change is also known as the physical change. And I tell you about the chemical change. chemical change of physical change is unstable change. फिजिकल चेंज जो होता है अनस्टेबल चेंज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आइस कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड या वाटर, एंड वाटर आल्सो कन्वर्ट इनटू ice. So it is a unstable chain. And I tell you about the chemical change. Chemical change क्या होता है, ये कितने तरीके का होता है, I tell you. Write down. Chemical change. Chemical change like this is a sodium react with H2O to form the base. Like this is a NaOH, and also remove the H2 gas. And magnesium react with water to form the magnesium oxide, and also remove the H2. And it is a sodium and H2O both are react to each other to form a new substance. Like this is a base and H2 gas, and magnesium is a metal, and water react with to form the magnesium hydroxide, and water is H2 gas is removed. So it process is also chemical change. Chemical change, because sodium is a alag different and H2 is a different, and both are also property are different with sodium hydroxide and H2O. So it is a change, is a chemical change, and it is also is a stable change. Chemical change is a chemical change is stable change. For example, and other example like this is a milk convert into the curd. Milk convert into the curds. दूध जो है दही में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, तो एंड दही नहीं कन्वर्ट हो सकती है मिल्क में. सो इट इज ए स्टेबल चेंज, एंड स्टेबल चेंज आल्सो नोन एज द केमिकल चेंज. Listen me, look on the board. Chemical reaction divide into two parts. Chemical reaction divide into two parts. Like this is a reactant and product. Reactant and product. What is the reactant? What is the product? I tell you what is the reactant and product. Reactant is a part of such substance which participate in the chemical reaction such substance which is participate in the chemical reaction is called reactant. For example, A plus B combine to each other to form AB, and A and B also participate in this reaction, so A and B also known as reactant. And AB is product. For other example like this, sodium and H2O to form sodium hydroxide and H2 gas. So sodium and H2O also participate in this reaction, so sodium and H2O is known as the reactant. It is a part of reactant. It is a part of reactant. So reactant is a write down left hand side, and product is write down right hand side. So reactant, I tell you, I repeat, such substance which is participate in the chemical reaction which called reactant. It is a very most important part of chemical reaction. Like this, A plus B react with each other to form AB. AB is a product and A and B both are reactant. Other example like this is a carbon and O2 heated to form CO2, and carbon and oxygen both are reactant. Carbon and oxygen both are reactant to form CO2. देखिए, what is the product? Product after the chemical process to form a new substance is called product. And for example, Mg plus O2 to give the MgO. MgO is a product, and Mg plus O2 also tell you a reactant. It is a part of reactant. It is a part of product. And other example like this. And other example, calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. It is a part of reactant, and it is a part of product. And always write down the product right hand side, and reactant is write down left hand side. And the chemical process is represented by a arrow like this, and this is a reactant, this is a product. And other example, and write down other example like this is a chlorine and hydrogen react with hydrogen fluoride. It is a part of acid, hydride acid. I repeat, product after the chemical process to form a new substance is called the product. For example, Mg plus O2 to give the MgO. Mg plus O2 is a part of reactant, and MgO is a product. And other example, sodium react with hydrogen to form the sodium hydride, and fluorine is react with hydrogen to form the hydrogen acid, hydride acid. Today I finished this topic. I will discuss tomorrow next topic. What is the characteristics of the chemical reaction? And care your family and save your family, and follow the government of India rules, and say thank you very much.